Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a voucher in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the Gateway of Tally screen, then select the Daybook option. This critical step opens a ledger of all your recorded transactions. You can easily access this by typing Daybook or selecting it from the display menu. Ensure you are in the correct company file before proceeding. This is your initial point of entry. Once in the Daybook, use the Date Range option to view the vouchers from the relevant period. You might need to change the date from 1 day to a full month or even longer to find your target. Additionally, you can apply filters for specific voucher types, such as payment or receipt, which helps narrow down your search considerably. Double-check all details, including the amount and party name, to confirm accuracy. With the correct voucher highlighted, press the Alt key and the D key together. Tally Prime will then display a small confirmation box on your screen. This prompt is an important safeguard, asking delete, yes or no. You must confirm this action carefully. Press Y for yes, or simply press the Enter key to proceed with the permanent deletion. This action cannot be reversed once confirmed. After confirming deletion, the selected voucher will instantly vanish from your Daybook view. To verify its removal, simply reopen the Daybook or reapply your filters for that specific date and voucher type. You will notice the entry is no longer present, confirming its successful deletion. Remember, this process is irreversible. There is no recovery option for a deleted voucher within Tally Prime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.